Good evening everyone and welcome one and all to Exam Dost, my dear friends. I am back again with very important update for all of you, and this update is coming from Cochin Shipyard Limited. They have released a vacancy for various engineers like mechanical, electrical, electronics, instrumentation and many others, and in this video I'll be telling you everything that is mentioned in their notification so that you can decide when to apply, how to apply, and even do you wish to apply. That decision you can take after this video. So this is going to be a very short video. Make sure that you watch this video till the end to know the complete details. Now it is a listed premier mini Ratna company of Government of India, and it is inviting online application for executive trainees. Now for electrical, you need to have a degree in electrical engineering with a minimum of 65% marks. Similarly in other disciplines also like mechanical, electronics, instrumentation. So like electrical people cannot apply to instrumentation people cannot apply to electrical. You must have the degree in the same discipline. Okay. For IT, they can have a degree in CS or they can have a degree in IT. Okay. Both disciplines are eligible. The online application has started from 29th of June and the last date is 20th of July. Number of vacancies in electrical is 6, 3 unreserved, 1 OBC, 1 SC, 1 ST. Electronics it is 1, instrumentation it is again 1. Now they can increase or decrease the vacancies, that is completely up to them. Okay. Now they have given the benchmark disability in this table, like in which category will you lie based on the disability that you might have. Okay. So this is important for PWBD candidates. Now compensation, if you get selected as an executive trainee, you will undergo 1 year of training and you will get a monthly stipend of rupees 50,000 during this training. If required, you might be retained for extra hours on holidays. You might have to work on holidays, and in such cases you will get additional stipend of rupees 3,000 per month. So your salary will vary from 50,000 to 53,000. Once you complete your training, you will be considered for the position of assistant manager in the E1 grade in a pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000, pay fixed at the start of the scale. That is 40,000 minus 3%, that is the fixed pay. And in addition to the basic pay, you will be eligible for dearness allowance, HRA 16% of basic pay, and perks up to 35% of basic pay, and other benefit of new pension scheme, provident fund, accidental insurance coverage, leave encashment, reimbursement of medical expenses. So they have given all this calculation. Basic pay 40,000, DA is 15,080, HRA 7,200, perks and allowances 14,000, and other benefits 33,000. Total per month of 1,09,342, out of which I can tell you how much will you get in hand is, leave out this perks and allowances and other benefits, calculate this much only. So this will account to around 62,000. 62,000 minus the taxes, that will be your in hand salary. Posting can be at any of their units. Okay, based on the project requirement, they can send you to any of their location wherever they need a person. Upper age limit is 27 years on 20th of July 2023. So you must be born after 21 July 1996. For OBC, it will be relaxed by 3 years, and for SC ST, it will be relaxed by 5 years. Selection process has 2 phases. The phase 1 is an objective type online test in which you will have 60-minute duration of 60 MCQs. In the area of general awareness, 5 MCQ in general awareness, 5 in English language, 5 in numerical ability. So that is, and 5 in reasoning, that is 20 marks of overall aptitude, reasoning, numerical ability, verbal ability and general awareness, and then 40 marks based on your branch. Phase 2 will have GD and writing skill and PI. Writing skills means they might ask you to write a letter, write an essay or anything which shows your language skills. So 60 marks weightage is for objective test. GD carries a weightage of 10 marks, writing skill 10 marks, and personal interview of 20 marks. So that is a total of 100 marks. Now online test will be conducted at various centers in Kerala only. Okay, and the test center will be allotted on the basis of number. number of application. Okay. And the phase 2, that is GD and PI, will be conducted at CSL Kochi. The mark list for each post will be prepared based on the marks obtained by the candidates. That is, for unreserved candidates, 50% of total marks of each test. Okay. The mark list for each post. Basically, this is the cutoff marks. They are saying 50% for unreserved, for OBC 45%, SC ST 40%, PWBD 40%. Now, if you score the minimum marks and above, you will be shortlisted for document verification, and they will call a sufficient number of candidates for verification so that they get minimum ratio of 6 candidates against each post. So that is in electrical, if there are 6 posts, they will call at least 36 candidates. That is the minimum number. So if your document verification is successful, then only you will be allowed to sit in the GD, PI and the writing skill. Okay. Now, reservation based on the Government of India, they are providing the reservation qualification. As they told, you must have a bachelor degree. You need not have any sort of experience. For electrical, EEE branch is eligible. For electronics, applied electronics, EI, EC, EI and EIC, electronics instrumentation control. But I believe in electrical, they will also allow electrical engineers, not only EEE but EE will also be allowed. In instrumentation, applied EI, EI, EIC, instrumentation and control. Okay. So that is the degree that is allowed. Now you can go through this bit of detailed notification before applying, and you will also have a bond of at least 5 years after completion of training. 1 year of training plus 5 years of bond, total of 6 years for an amount of rupees 5 lakh. Okay. You must have all the documents that is needed, like your photograph, signature, proof of age, proof of qualification, and you need to upload it. You need to upload it on the online application portal. Okay. So as I told, the application fees is rupees 1000, which is non-refundable. Now this is very high actually. So only apply for this vacancy if you have good technical command, so that you can clear this exam. Now, plus bank charges extra, whatever bank charges you the commission, you can pay it by debit card, credit card, net banking, wallet and UPI. Now how to apply? You need to go to their website, and in career page you will find CSL Kochi. There you can proceed for the online application. This will open from 29th of June 2023 and their website is written as cochinshipyard.in. Okay. Make sure all the details that you are entering are correct, because they might not allow you to change the details later. Okay. If your details are incomplete, they will not consider your application. And you need not send any printout of your application. You just need to apply online. You don't need to courier anything. You don't need to send anything via speed post. Okay. And before applying, check if you are meeting the eligibility criteria. They are not paying any travel allowance. So that is, you have to travel to Kerala on your own and then appear for the exam. Call letters will be sent by a post, or they will be informed by email or through their website. Okay. Now, you can go through all these details, and if you have any queries, you can send it to this mail ID, helpdesk.csl19@gmail.com. So that is about this vacancy, Cochin Shipyard Limited. If you are genuinely interested, make sure that you apply for it before the last date passes away. And one more thing, beta, if you are a GATE 24 or a GATE 2025 aspirant, let me tell you, beta, we are starting new batches from 3rd of July, that is Monday. We will be starting with network and digital, and we are starting 3 batches. One for GATE 24 electrical Lakshya batch, GATE 25 electrical Neve batch, and electron batch for ECE 2024, but only for the non-core subject. Now in electrical, for first 100 students, we have kept 20% price less or price drop. For ECE, first 50 students, there is a 20% price drop. In case you don't wish to miss this offer, join immediately, because your validity will be fixed till 10th of March of the next year, and for 2025 batch, it is 10th of March 2025. So join immediately and be a part of this journey, where I'll take you through all the concepts, through all the topics that are required, and make sure that you reach your destination if you work hard with me. So don't miss this opportunity. Grab it right away. Just go to the Exam Dost website or the Exam Dost mobile app and become a part of these batches. So I'll see you in the live classes on 3rd of July. Till then, take care. Good night. Thank you.